Hello friends, hi everyone. So today we will discuss about the development environment where you can develop an application for your purpose, for any business idea. If you have any business development project, if you have any kind of a development project, and if you have any kind of a industry type, so we can make an application for any industry type. So if we start to build an application, so first of all we require a framework or an environment. You can say a framework or an environment. So that particular framework and environment is performed and suggested to be gone through with these type of applications. So these applications have certain framework and requirements where you can, if you try to make that particular application in that particular scenario with the system and syntax which is already given in this particular programming language, then you can easily build an application. If we try to build that particular application, then we have to start with first of all the front-end development environment. So front-end development environment. Front-end basically which is designing an application. So I already told you about the software engineering portion, how an application is first of all being made and how first of all design has been created. So if we create the FDD, so design for the particular application, then we started developing that particular design in an application. Okay, right? Like a real scenario where we are designing that particular application for on the system where you have to make that particular application. So front end has the particular ability to design that particular, how your FDD, how your design, how your design has is looked to be looked. So that means if you are created any EI diagram and HDD and high level diagram, then that particular diagram has been made in real scenario where that particular look has been designed for that particular application by the help of front-end technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So some CSS like Bootstrap, HTML5 and any other technology where you can make that particular application feasible. That means the web page design has been created through HTML, which is a browser capable language. Browser has the ability to read that particular language, by which browser can understand the code and language of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, where JavaScript is used to create some pop-ups and some syntax where the actual some kind of backend is also some kind of backend is also provided by JavaScript. So you can say JavaScript will be used for purposes like to create your application more accountable, more authentication to be required. Then you will require, or you can use that particular language like JavaScript. So JavaScript and jQuery is also some kind of required to make that particular project feasible. So jQuery I already mentioned here. So you can say the particular whole of the environment for front-end technology has been used like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are all the technologies where you can make your project's design very much accountable, by which you can complete your first step to make your own project. First step to make your own project by designing. So these only two points has been you have to make for if you talk about only designing and development. So that is the particular 2 points, and for the storage purposes you can install you can do work on SQL and some Oracle portion. So I'm right now telling you about the front-end technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. So these kind of technologies has been required to make any front-end technology of their particular project. So if we talk about the backend technologies, what is backend technologies? So if we talk about the backend technologies, so backend technologies has been very much changeable, because you can say it is changed throughout the decade, because every programming language has certain advantages and disadvantages. To make that particular application feasible, you have to choose the best programming language for that particular project. If you are creating any BDB project, business development project, then you have to make your programming feasible for that particular idea. If you are creating an application for a particular idea, then you have to select one language for that particular project. So you cannot say that only a one programming language is required, only a two programming language is required for any project. But if you want to make a project, then you have to select that particular language. I thought you will be understand by this that if you require to make any project, then you have to select a technology, only one technology for making purposes for your project. If you try to make a project which is not feasible for Python, then that means you cannot make that particular project. If you require C language, then how you can do project on Python? Understand? That means if the project required is Java language, then you cannot make the project by using C language or some other language. Understand? So this is the main idea behind creating an application. The backend portion is very much important. If you are trying to make an application through PHP, which is again a framework, and some you can say package manager is also here, package manager, or some you can say MVC project is also developed on these languages like PHP, C#, Java. So all are making with the MVC framework structure. So you can say that PHP is also using that particular framework structure like package manager or MVC project. So you can make that particular language like PHP very much feasible into your project. By using this PHP, you can make project very much clean and crispy. But this is also depend that if you do not require PHP, then you can use the Node.js. Then just like PHP it is also a package manager. It has also package manager and some framework required. Python is also some framework required. You have to make the project on particular platform like framework for Python. So you have to install or work on the particular framework on your system for using Python. So like Ruby also, Ruby on Rails framework like Ruby on Rails. So framework like Ruby on Rails is also required and necessary to use that particular Ruby language on your backend of the backend project. But if you want to use the Java, then it is Java, like Core Java is also Core Java. I must say Core Java is also required. So Core Java. So if you require Core Java, then you can say Core Java. Okay, Core Java. And you must say Advanced Java. Then you can make the project on Advanced Java. Just like Java, Golang is also there. Go language, which is again made by Google. So you can use the Go language, Golang. So Golang is also there, and C# and some storage like NoSQL, and some other database technologies. So by using these C# is also Microsoft.NET. It is a Microsoft product. So you can say C# is Microsoft product. So you can make your application by by using these type of technologies, by using these type of framework, which is very much necessary for making a project. So if you want to make a project, kindly select these technologies, use these technologies, use the syntax of that particular technology. If you use the syntax properly and design your application very smooth, and you have smoothly, and if you have your project, if you have any project, then you have to make a project particular module within a sequence. If you are creating each module in sequence, like if all the modules in sequence, so that the particular sequence is very much necessary to make. So you have to make application in sequence. Some syntax is required to make proper application. So that is all about the of the web development stages. So if you know more about the web development environment, then kindly let me know and like my channel, subscribe my channel, and do comments on my videos. I will reply and revert to all of your comments, and I will let you know about all the computer science and computer development technologies in my future videos. Till then, thank you.